to this YouTube channel, Miles Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to set up Emi Tunnel VPN in all countries and on all networks for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So, first and foremost, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, don't forget to like the video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, give us your subscription for more tutorials like this. So step 1, open Google Play Store, and in Google Play Store you're going to search Emi Tunnel, and then download, install, and then after open that application, take note of the app icon, take note of the app name. So we're going to open this icon. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and then the community guidelines. After downloading this application, I will request you to some permissions, for example, the notification permissions. We kindly request you guys to grant this application those permissions by pressing the allow. And then after, you're going to come on the next step of joining the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates from the developer. So join the Telegram channel, and then the next step, we're going to come right here. Before doing anything, we're going to go right there, and then we're going to check for updates by checking right there. Give it some few seconds to check for the updates until you see this message, no updates are available. The next step, you're going to come for the servers, where you see the auto server, where I'm pointing, and then you're going to choose from those servers. But most so, I recommend you to be using the auto select server because it performs better than any of those servers. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, don't forget to like. So the next step, we're going to come right here where you have the whole country, and then you're going to look for your country's name by either scrolling down, or if you have if you want to save time, you can choose the option of searching. But if your country supports UDP, you're going to come and then search for UDP, and then you can choose from those UDP protocols. But most so, I recommend you to be using this one, or you can be using this one, but the first one is more faster. This one is more good. That one, it is the best. Choose that one, and then we're going to try to connect by checking that one. You're going to grant the VPN permission to connect. Give it some few seconds. It will connect as you see. Now, what if it fails to connect? This is what we're going to do. We're going to try to restart this VPN application. We're going to clear the app data or the cake. We're going to try to remove it from your recent. That is it. That's what I can comment about this VPN application, Emi Tunnel. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.